Look at the pictures carefully. Tick, check mark, the beginning letter and write the letter to complete the name of each picture. I for ice cream. I for ink pot. I for igloo. J for joker. J for jug.
J for jam.
K for king. K for kite. K for kettle. L for lion. L for lemon. L for lotus.